Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Jennifer here, and I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for all of the love on a recent video of ours, and also for our new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family. Now today I have an amazing video for you guys, and this is on an Ayurvedic herb that is so powerful. It has both internal and external benefits. So if you'd like to know more, please keep watching. So guys, that big hairy herb that you're actually looking at in this video is called JATAMANSI. Now, JATAMANSI is a healing herb derived from the Himalayas. It is actually the root of a plant. That's the reason why it looks this way. It's the root of a plant which is referred to as rhizome, and it can actually be consumed as medicine. The actual plant is small, but the root is large and hairy, like you can see in the video. As for the meaning, Jata means hair and Mansi means human, but it is typically referred to as Indian nard. Jatamansi is exclusively grown in India, Pakistan, China, and Yunnan. In Ayurveda, JATAMANSI is known as a remedy not just for hair health but also for brain health. Now guys, this is where a lot of the benefits lie. This particular herb is so powerful, not just for your hair but for your wellness. In addition to contributing to hair growth, JATAMANSI also manages your nervous system, your stress, your anxiety, memory, heart palpitations, as well as insomnia. It even helps minimize menstrual cramps. This herb is amazing. Now there are two ways to make JATAMANSI oil, which I will be showcasing in this video. The very first way is by soaking the JATAMANSI root in an oil, in which it has a slow infusion, whilst the second way is soaking JATAMANSI powder in an oil, which has a faster infusion method. So for the first method, I'll be showing you all the ingredients needed to make this slow infused JATAMANSI oil, so keep watching. The oil extracted from JATAMANSI roots has been known for centuries to treat baldness and hair fall. In fact, a few studies have actually shown that it improves hair growth in individuals with male pattern baldness, as well as cancer patients who have recently completed chemotherapy. JATAMANSI is also known to darken the hair and prevent premature graying. So if you are seeing a few gray strands, this is the best oil to try. But in addition to all these hair benefits, JATAMANSI is so powerful because it regulates menopause, mood swings, and it actually reduces your cramps during your period. This is due to its antispasmodic properties. Guys, I told you this plant is powerful. Ladies, if you're especially going through stress and you have lost your hair as a result of that stress, this is an amazing herb to try, as it is also adaptogenic and it helps reduce stress levels and encourages better sleep. Now guys, we are moving on to the second method of making JATAMANSI oil, and this is by infusing it in powder form. As you can see, I'm going to be blending the JATAMANSI roots, but you must know that there are also a few places that you can purchase JATAMANSI in powder form, so you don't have to go through this. Now with the two oils ready made, it is best to expose both oils to sunlight daily in order to get a faster infusion and a more potent JATAMANSI oil. If you don't have the patience to infuse through sunlight, I would recommend the double boiler method. And this is simply by putting the jar glass in hot water. It allows it to infuse faster. So guys, let us know in the comment section what you think about this JATAMANSI oil and if you would be giving it a try. The benefits are insane, not just for your hair but also for your overall wellness. Now our JATAMANSI oil is potent and ready to use. However, the slow infusion oil is not yet ready. I would actually recommend that you leave the whole roots in the oil for a minimum of 3 months because it will continue to slowly infuse whilst being exposed to sunlight daily. Now guys, for the application. So when you're applying this oil on your head, you actually need to apply JATAMANSI oil as a head massage oil. This is simply because it improves hair growth, but not only hair growth, it helps with your memory, your sleep, and your cognition. So it's best to apply this oil onto your scalp. Give yourself a scalp massage for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you could typically use this oil a minimum of twice a week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!